Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS is James. How are you today? In this video we would like to share how to remove the factory radio in the Hyundai i45 generation 2011 and 2015. So to start with the job, you need plastic remover tool and screwdriver. And now the process is we need to remove this panel on the left, this panel on the right, to screw the back, and then lift up the panel here and start lifting up the whole panel front, and then you remove the head unit behind. Okay, so we can start now. Make sure that you clear all the stuff over here before you do the job. We can start with the panel on the left, and there's the edge at the bottom and surrounding this panel. It is holding by two plastic clip on the back, on the front, in the panel. Okay, so slide the plastic remover tool down on the bottom of this, and then you lift it up, and then this one lift up, and then you can slide the panel out because it's only held by two plastic clip. The same thing you do for the other one, and then the back first, and the back, and then the front by holding and pull it. Okay, it comes now two clip again. Now you want to remove two screw here. Okay, let's do it. Two. Okay, now this panel is holding quite firm down into the dust. So what you want to do is you slide the two here at this edge to pop the bottom section here open. So what I want to show here is, look at this. You slide into this edge a little bit, and then you lift it up. Okay, so it comes up a little bit. That's enough to slide the plastic remover tool in. Okay, so that's how we are going to keep going with it. And for this, we actually can now slide the tool in. Okay, do the same thing for the other side. That's why I say two would be helpful. Two plastic remover tool would be helpful, because now you can slide the edge to the forward, to the top. So just keep going with it. Be gentle, because this one is very firm, staying in place. Yeah, you can feel it very tough, because it is holding by plastic clip very tight over there. So let's move to the left. so we need some extra trim remover tool to give it more force. This is very tight on the top here. Two of them, okay, see that? So what I do is I use two of this one, slide at the edge on the top here, and then pop it up and it comes out. That's good for the left side. Now keep going with two of the good and strong one going to the right side, which already pop open at the bottom and here. It's a bit tricky because it is new, never been opened before, and all the clips, they are very tight. When they get cracked at the right position, they will come out. Okay, good. All of the left side already out. Now we just get the last point on the right, and actually it's one clip and two clips. Yes, it's all good. You can see that we use two of this one, slide here, exactly this corner, and then it comes out. Okay, so that's the way we do the same thing for the left side. Two of them this corner and comes out. Sorry, the camera was changing the angle, but it is what it is now. And here we go. We have the full panel pops out, and on the top here you have one connector for the clock, which needs to be disconnected, and that one you actually need a very small screwdriver to press it down. So we try to unlock the clip, the connector here, that one, and then keep going. Okay. Let's press. Now what you do is look at the clip here. There's a tab here. That leaves a tab here. Press it and then slide out. That connector will come out. After that, you actually have connector for the emergency, which is here. See them? You need to connect, disconnect that on the right on the meter. So they are for emergency and air conditioner control. 1, 2. All right. So this one there's one hose, the rubber hose. This one attached to the back end tube of the air conditioning control panel. Okay, so you disconnect it gently and all come out peacefully. So at the back here, remove the hose from here, big connector from here, and the emergency connector from here. All done, and no damage to the panel. All good. Now we need to remove the head unit, which is this one, and it is holding by 1, 2, 3, 4 screw. And we'll keep going with that. Okay, 4 screw. Now at the back we slide out. Now at the back there are a few connectors that we need to unplug. As you can see here, this. So we need to unplug all of them, which is no problem. We do it now. Four. Okay, so in total 4 of them, and the head unit comes out. The back looking like this. Radio antenna here, main power connector over here, another earth connector over here. All good. That's what we need to do, and here's ready to do the work that you want to do. So yep, thanks again for watching, and hopefully it will be helpful for someone. Have a good day, and we'll see you on another one, which we are doing the 9-inch system on this car upgrade, including the reverse camera. Thank you, and see you then.